We all have a personal connection to human health, right? A loved one has been sick. We have been sick. Maybe a loved one didn't get the medicine that worked the best for them. So my hope is for this building is that we can discover that new drug here that will help one of my loved ones in the future. My name is Melissa Thackery. I'm a project manager overseeing capital projects for Emory University's Planning, Design, and Construction Department. I manage the construction process from ground up for the whole building, and then I worked with individual scientists and PIs to build out their laboratories. So when we set out on this journey, Emory and the School of Medicine and Woodruff Health Sciences Center had a goal to create a building, the largest biomedical research facility on campus. We house pediatrics, Winship cancer, cardiology, metabolics, all these different departments, and we created different ways of using audiovisual technology to actually tell the other users in the building what the scientists are doing. We also incorporated views through the atrium so that you can actually see other scientists working. And then we took their research and put them on posters, but we created digital versions so that people can start to talk about, oh, you're working on a heart study. Oh, I'm working in lipidomics. Perhaps we can get together and figure out why this new drug I'm working on isn't affecting the heart in the way that I thought it would. And the reason for that is because we are learning that cross-collaboration between the different sciences is what promotes the new and best research that improves human health. We broke ground in September of 2019, and we obtained the certificate of occupancy in February of 2023. It took a lot of time and planning ahead, especially when it comes to the larger pieces of equipment. We have to basically build a building around it. So we have to make sure the structure is strong enough for our giant magnets, our 7 Tesla. It can't have any ferrous rebar in the slab because it'll pull out regular rebar from the concrete below it. It was a collaboration between H2I Group for their part, our lab planners, architects, structural engineers, MEP engineers, and then finally our PIs who do the actual work to figure out what they needed and then how we could best accommodate it. So we knew that our scientific casework and our lab furnishings was going to be a huge decision early on. When we first designed a building, we want it to last between 50 and 75 years. Our casework is expected to also last that long and accommodate needs and changes over time. So in 2019, we actually commissioned mock-ups from 3 leading manufacturers. And from that mock-up, we solicited feedback from scientists who would actually be using it. And everyone agreed that Bedco was the right choice for this building. So we choose movable and flexible systems so that if a scientist has a different need in 10 years or even this year, which has happened, we can take out a section of bench, a section of shelving, we can take out a whole bench, we can put a piece of equipment there or whatever they need at the time. This is a once-in-a-lifetime type of building for a person in my position. We don't see many research facilities of this size, which is 350,000 square feet. The White House is 50,000 square feet, and we don't see a building usually accommodate this many different types of science. That coupled with architectural features and thoughtful design, all of those things came together to give a wow factor.